In this video, we will learn how to divide the number 140 by 7 using the long division method. Now see that this one is less than 7. That is why we will consider the number 14. From the multiplication table of 7, we know that 7 times 2 is equal to 14. Subtract, we get a 0. Now see that this 0 is less than 7. That is why we will bring down this number 0 here. Now see that this is the number 0. So we can remove 1 0. And we know that 7 times 0 is equal to 0. Subtract, we get a 0. As we have got the number 0 and there is no number to bring down here, so we will stop. Therefore, 140 divided by 7 is equal to 20. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe the channel.